Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to use an external mic in Final Cut Pro. This is not the only way, but this is the way that I use it. It is so easy, and I'm using my favorite microphone ever. This is by far the easiest microphone I've ever worked with. I bought it purely off reviews. Start with recording your audio on whatever microphone you have. You can use any mic setup, just make sure your recording is clear and saved as a separate audio file. So after you're done with that, airdrop it to your computer so we can import it into Final Cut Pro. Okay, drag your video and your audio clip into Final Cut Pro and place them both on the timeline. Toggle to list mode at the top left, right click on both clips and choose synchronize clips, and Final Cut Pro will match them up automatically using the waveform. I also have a video on how to do this. I will link it below. Now the clip was added to our list. Let's drag it to the timeline, delete the original clips, double click into this compound clip. You can just mute the original camera audio and now you're using your high quality mic audio. See, I told you it was easy. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. I have so many tutorials in Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes, so just go through the playlist. It's a huge free course called Tutorials. And if you like these videos on everything video editing, I make videos every other week, so you should subscribe, and I'll see you back here in 2 weeks.